This is ridiculous. My account is locked again, and the billing failed. The card is fine.
So, here is how we flip the script. This is the AINative support flow, and it doesn't start with rules, it starts with understanding. Let's break it down. Step 1 is inference, not keywords. Remember that user who was charged twice and locked out? The AI doesn't force them into a single category. It looks at the intent. It sees a billing issue, an authentication error, and detects that the user is frustrated and at risk of churn. It captures the full context instantly. Step 2 moves us beyond routing. To reasoning, we stop treating the AI like a receptionist. It doesn't just pass the ticket to a billing team. It acts like a senior agent. It decides priority dynamically. It creates a plan.
Check payment history. Verify account status. Attempt an automated fix.
Then, step 3, Agentic Behavior. This is the biggest shift. The system isn't just reading text. It is using tools. It calls the API to get order details. It chains actions together to detect the duplicate and issue the refund. It plans, executes, and verifies autonomously. And finally, step 4, continuous learning. In the old world, a solved ticket is just history. Here, it's data. The system learns in 2 ways. First, if a human agent has to step in, that correction loops back to fix the logic. But it also learns from success. It analyzes resolution times and customer outcomes automatically. So whether a human helps or the AI acts alone, the system gets smarter with every single interaction. In the next episode, let's do a comparison between traditional and the AINative, the 2 approaches.
To stay up to date with AI, follow ittrends-x.